Hi guys. Um, I am tired, I'm not gonna lie. I There's this hairstyle that I really wanna do. I've never done it before. It's like crown braids, but my hair's not long enough for crown braids. So it's like a crown braid, um, what's the word? Not interpretation, but it's like similar to crown braids, but it's not exactly crown braids. So I was like, I'm gonna do the hairstyle anyway, might as well record myself in like a tutorial way. Maybe I know what I'm doing and I can show the children what to do. But yeah, that's what this video is about, crown braids or something like that. Okay, so I just washed my hair. um I washed it using the Herbal Aloe strengthening shampoo, this one, and then I conditioned it with the strengthening conditioner, this one. I really like both of these. They make my hair feel really nice. I did leave a little bit of conditioner in my hair. It is not a leave-in conditioner, but I do find that when I leave in some conditioner in my hair, oh my gosh, I hope you guys can hear me. I'm busy moving this thing around. I do find that when I leave in some conditioner in my hair, the blowouts become very nice and like soft, you know? So I do leave it in, but it's not a leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna detangle. I do have conditioner in my hair, and then I'm gonna blow it out just so that my hair is a little bit easier to manage.
No, 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 no. Original. Yeah. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Just say no, 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 no. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Just say yeah, the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See, the girls, them, I got me hypnotized. Them, I make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say, you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Countdown, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low down. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No, 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 no. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Just say yeah, the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come true. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let my coming on me yard, them I give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them I tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
No, 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 no. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Just say yeah, the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Original bad man,
turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. No, 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 no. Original. Yeah. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
original bad man.
The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Just say no, 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 no. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Just say yeah, the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Original bad man.
The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. I make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she gone low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she gone low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
No, 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 no. She the beat of the bad man, but drop the beat, then a bad man, but drop the beat. She the beat of the bad man, but drop the beat, then a bad man, but drop the beat. She the beat of the bad man, but drop the beat, then a bad man, but drop the beat.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they really your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in my yard, them I give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them I tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
No, 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 no. She the beat of the bad man, but drop the beat, then a bad man, but drop the beat. She the beat of the bad man, but drop the beat, then a bad man, but drop the beat. She the beat of the bad man, but drop the beat, then a bad man, but drop the beat. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Original bad man.
Turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the
It's
vibe.
fake.
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Hi guys. So somebody said I must tell you guys that I'm gonna link um the video on how I blow dry my hair in the description below. Okay. So I'm not gonna explain that in this video. It's already explained in that video. So that will be linked in the description below. Thank you, Sombi. Thank you, future Sombi, if you're watching this. Thank you. Okay, so I just blew out my hair. It's not super straight, but it's straight enough so that I'll be able to manipulate it.